Hello everyone, today is my topic what is organic chemistry. The study of organic compound is termed as organic chemistry. Organic compound are hydrocarbon and their derivatives, most containing carbon and carbon mostly be covalently bond. And CH4 and C2H4 is example living substance like the butter, leather and silk. The study of carbon and its compound, its organic chemistry. Carbon containing compound with hydrogen containing is called organic chemistry. ઓર્ગેનિક એટલે કાર્બનિક સેન્દ્રિય નેચરલી ઓર રિલેટેડ ટુ નેચર પ્રકૃતિ અને હાઇડ્રોકાર્બન એટલે હાઇડ્રોજન એન્ડ કાર્બન કન્ટેનિંગ એટમ હોય is example crude oil, natural gas, coal and other important energy sources and derivatives is called biochemical reaction and analysis. Covalently bond એટલે કે chemical bond that involve the sharing of electron pairs between the atom and pair bonding pairs, stable balance of attractive and repulsive force between atoms. Two examples of CH4 and C2H4. CH4 example, carbon 4 electron and hydrogen 4 atoms and 1 electron into 4 is equal to total 8 electron, and carbon with hydrogen electron pair and covalently bond CH4. Lewis structure of CH4 methane, carbon and hydrogen are total electron 8 and converting into electron pair and carbon covalently bond carbon with hydrogen. C2H4 structure ethylene is containing carbon 2 mole and hydrogen 4 mole, total electron 12 and carbon double bond and hydrogen converting into the electron pair and covalently bond. Basic of organic chemistry. Organic chemistry, it is a chemistry of scientific study of structure, property and reaction of organic compounds. An organic material, carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen, sulfur and X halogen tattva. It is the chemistry of carbon, hydrogen and their derivatives. Hydrocarbon, carbon plus containing hydrogen. However, several compounds like the CO2, carbon dioxide, carbon, hydrogen and their derivatives. Hydrocarbon, carbon plus containing hydrogen. However, several compounds like the CO2, carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide and CH2, carbon disulfide are studied in organic chemistry because the property difference. CO2, carbon dioxide structure, carbon 1 mole and oxygen 2 mole, 6 into 2, 12 and plus 4 is 16. Carbon dioxide, carbon 1 and oxygen 2 in connecting the double bond. Lewis structure of carbon monoxide, carbon 4 and oxygen 6 is total 10 and carbon and oxygen containing triple bond in electron pair, covalently bond. Branch of chemistry which deal with the compounds containing hydrocarbon, hydrogen plus carbon and their derivatives. Example like the CH4 એમાંથી કાર્બન હારે 4 હાઇડ્રોજન જોડાયેલા હોય એમાંથી 1 હાઇડ્રોજન રિમૂવ કરીને એની જગ્યાએ Cl એડ થાય. Its derivative reaction. Organic compounds are hydrocarbons and their derivatives. DNA, perfumes, soaps, candles, paints. Characteristics of organic compound. Organic compound are solid, liquid or gases. Low melting point and low boiling point. So covalent bonding, insoluble in water, highly soluble in organic solvent like ether, alcohol, benzene and chloroform. Usually decompose on heating, volatile in nature, inflammable, easily catch fire, do not conduct electricity, slow to react with other chemical and colorless compound. Each of the main branches have a sub-branches. Today I am discussing 5 organic chemistry branches. Medicinal chemistry, that is designing, development and synthesis of medicinal drugs. Medical line, medical chemistry and organometallic chemistry, the study of bonds between the carbon and metals. Organometallic chemistry deal with metals And polymer chemistry, the study of organic polymers like the chain, resin, electron polymers, and plastic. Physical organic chemistry, the study of interrelation between the structure and reactivity. Like the compound is the physical totally is physical organic chemistry. And stereochemistry, the study of the spatial arrangement of atoms and molecules, it's called stereochemistry. Thanks for watching. Any query about what is inorganic chemistry or organic chemistry to directly my channel and WhatsApp